What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, with the 10x income system. All right. And today we're going to talk about organic sales. Okay. I want to kind of continue that conversation. I did a video, I think it's about a week ago, and I'm going to put the link below so you can go check it out, where I actually showed you testimonies from inside of the 10x income system group of people posting about organic sales that they're making. Okay, but before we get into that, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, all right, for everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. So let's get into this thing. All right, so I'm gonna follow my notes that I have on my phone here. All right, so folks are making organic sales. They're making this through social media, some form of social media. Now let's discuss one thing. One fact for sure, I can tell you, I became a part of the 10x income system from a social media platform. Okay, I saw it, looked at it, and I got started. So that's a fact. And most of you that's in the 10x income system came in through the same way, from someone on social media. Okay, so we know that's effective. We know that's work, logically speaking, right? So it is not going anywhere. So you can advertise, guys, for free on these social media platforms with what I call the copy paste method. Go check this out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, you can leverage this as well. And I know what happens is most of the time people don't know how, where, and what. If you're new to this internet marketing space, you're like, hey, well, I don't really know what to post, where to post, how to post. So that's where we're going to get into what you can plug into to go and get the copy paste method formula. Okay, now there's also what we call offline marketing, and I have the postcards as well. I'm going to show you those too. Okay, here's the postcards, guys. So for my folks that want to go offline and say, hey, I don't really want to do any of the social media, I want to go offline, we got you covered there as well. But getting to the free method with these platforms, you can do this as well. All right, so yeah, we have our folks that's plugged into the done for you marketing with the Google ads. That's great. That's on the back end. But can you just a little bit apply one of these free strategies that we're going to go over to help you out to get more exposure to the 10x income system website? Because think about it, guys, this website right here, which is what you're looking at, you will get one customized for you with your payment processor on it. This video right here does the selling and telling. I don't explain this stuff. All I do is send people to my capture page system, and I send them to this video, and it does explain it for me. It does all the heavy lifting. Okay, so how do we get people over here organically? Okay, let's talk about that. So as we were discussing, okay, we're going to take a look at these different training courses we have. We have the influencer brand marketing, we have internet automation secrets, and we have the 6-figure blueprint. Okay, in these training courses is the pre-written ads, the copy paste method, the copypastemethod.com. Okay, what do we have? We have marketing ads that you can post, guys. They're already pre-written. All you're gonna do is copy paste them. You have image ads. You have your 7-day action plan. What should I post for 7 days? Tell me what to do. That's what you have right here, your daily method of operation. Then you may say, well, where do I post? Right here in this starter package, you have 30 Facebook groups. Depending on which package you get, you have more groups to post to. Okay. And then you may say what to post. Again, that's here. What you post is the ads that's given to you, the pre-written ads. Okay. So you have all this right before you here. So it's just a matter of picking one of these packages and using the ads and be consistent with your posting. Okay, what I'm telling my folks is, guys, pick one platform. Pick one platform, apply the copy paste method from the copypaste.com, okay, and do that until you get results. Once you get results, then you can add another layer. Now I can tell you, as I stated earlier, I joined the 10X income system from one of these methods, either from a video. Take a look, ask yourself, how did you get in the 10X income system? Was it someone from Facebook? Was it a Craigslist ad? Was it a YouTube video? Was it Instagram? Was it an email? Think about that. One of those methods. So why not think about, well, I should do what that person did to get me in? And you may say, well, I don't really want to do a video. It was a video. Wonderful. Guess what? You can do Facebook, guys. You can copy paste these ads. The copy paste method. Okay. Do a Facebook ad. Post it. Be consistent. Follow your 7-day fast action plan. You're given that in this training. Okay. We even have a Facebook group where you'll see people doing this and they're making income from it. So if you want to increase and get more eyeballs on this right here, to get these unlimited $297 commissions, you want to add the organic traffic, okay, which is what I'm showing you right here. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get this. So for some of us that's already been doing this for a while, we kind of know what to do. But there's lots and tons of people that have no idea, well, what do I post? Well, this is where you want to go. And then guess what? You're going to be able to plug your people into this. Yes, there is a one-time investment to get this training, but you're going to be able to use and implement this in any business opportunity. You have to think about this. This is universal training. These are generic ads. You can use this to promote the next opportunity and the next and the next and the next, because all this is attraction marketing. You are posting something to pique someone's interest, and guess what they're doing? Asking for more information. So when they ask for more information, if you're not sure what to say, guess what? You'll go to your training here. Let me show you, and we have a script for you. So as you can see, I'm in my membership area, and right here it says what to say when they ask for more information, right? So you click here and it tells you, here is the script. It's 13 minutes. It tells you what to say to people. You can respond to them, okay? And you're pretty much getting them back to this, so this can do the selling and telling. You're trying to sell this system, right? So you need this right here, this method, the copypastemethod.com. You need this to get the organic traffic. And you know that because this is how you got here. Okay. This is what attracted you to the system. Somebody in a video, somebody made a post on Facebook, somebody did an Instagram live. So just utilize that. So plug in. So how do we do this? How do we get in? So you decide it's a $25 one-time website fee to get this, because you're going to get this website. Okay. It's going to be branded to you, coded to you, has your picture on it, your name, your link to your social media if somebody has a question. Okay. So just decide, I'm all in. I got the pro level. But if you just start here, it's $50 plus 25. Okay. To get that starter level package, you get 30 ads, 20 bonus images. Go check it out. Go to the www.thecopypastemethod.com. Grab this. So, or you decide you want the elite. And remember, you're going to make commissions on this stuff too. It's 100% commissions if you own the product. Okay. So it'll be 150 if you want the elite level. You get more training, more ads. So it's 150 plus 25. If you want all in like I am, get the 6-figure blueprint and you get more ads, 200 ads, 60 image ads, okay? 100 Facebook groups, guys, that you can post. YouTube mastery. You want to learn how to do YouTube videos? Get this, okay? TikTok. That's very popular. A lot of people in that, so you'll get that as well. So 150 plus 25 for the elite. If you want the pro level, it's 300 plus 25. Now, mind you, if you go all in, guys, you're able to receive now $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. Not to mention, over here, you got your $297 commission. So someone joins you here, and then you say, hey, I've got some training you definitely want to plug into. You give them your link for this. They go over here, and they decide which one they want. and then you make that commission as well. And this is instant pay, just like the 10X income system is. All right, that's how that works. Now, for everybody that joins me over here and get this pro level, you're going to get a solo ad I'm going to run for you. As a matter of fact, I have one running for me right now. Okay, then I'm going to throw in some extra places where you can post outside of this. I have something that's called 100 places to post for free. Okay, outside of what you're already getting here. Okay, not to mention my one-on-one ongoing support. All right, so this is a ton of value that you're going to have. Remember, this is for any program. Okay, so if you have a program and you're not in 10X and you're looking at this video and you're like, oh, I could use this for my program, you surely can. Any biz op, because it's training to show you how to use social media to get organic sales. People coming to you, you're attracting people to you for more information. Okay, so let's sum it up. This is my note. So to get in the 10X income system, all right, it's going to be $297 one time investment. It's $19.99 a month for your website. And then if you choose the traffic, it's $60, $110, or $200. $60 gets you your link in the rotator once. If you choose the 110 package, that gets you your link in the rotator twice. If you choose the $200 traffic package with the 10X income system, that gets you 4 spots in the rotator. Okay, now if you want the postcard, you decide, you say, hey, I want to come in with you and I want to do offline marketing, I want the postcards. Wonderful. Reach out to me, I'll get you the link, and I'm going to throw in 200 leads. I'm going to mail you 200 leads so you can mail your cards to people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, that's the 10X income. Now let's go over to this one and let me tell you what I'm going to give you. Again, if you do the pro level, you're going to get a solo. You're going to get the extra 100 places to post for free. Okay, and you're going to get my one-on-one ongoing support. Okay, as well as a sales funnel. If you're interested in getting a sales funnel, reach out to me. I'll help you get that set up and you can automate this whole thing. Okay, we're going to do that for you as well. All right, guys, so you've got a ton of value here. This plus the 10X income system would take you far. Okay, all you got to do is apply this stuff. So with that being said, I want to follow up and say, get ready for success. If you want to get ready for success, be prepared to commit to this 10X income system for 90 days. We have people that's starting a week and then they want to just give up. You're giving up on yourself, guys, because the program is not going to stop. TVD is not going to stop with this system. It's going to go from now and beyond. Okay, so just stay on the track, stay focused. So stick with this for 90 days. Implement this stuff right here that I'm talking about on a day-to-day basis. Get this 7-day fast action plan and apply it. Be dedicated and trust the process. Pick one platform and apply the copy-paste method. Go to the copypastemethod.com until you get results. Okay, and reach out to me. I'm here to help you guys. Then after you get results with that one platform, then add another platform and repeat the copy and paste method again and again. That's all we're doing. Okay, so get on board, get started with me in the 10X income system. If you want to get in this one, go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. If you want to get this training over here, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. Okay, thank you so much for checking out the video. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. As you can see, I'm super excited about this. These two go hand in hand. Okay, if I had something like this years ago, I wouldn't have wasted so much time trying to figure all this stuff out. Now you have access to this. Get started. Okay, if you have any questions, give me a call after you checked everything out. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.